I want to extend a heartfelt gratitude and say a big thank you for subscribing to my channel. It truly means the world to me that you've decided to join this community and be a part of our journey. This channel is going to be an amazing platform where we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of Igbo culture. Get ready for a fun-filled journey as we explore history, traditions, language, music, dance, cuisine, and so much more that makes Igbo culture absolutely captivating. From sharing personal experiences and stories passed down through generations to shedding light on lesser known aspects of Igbo heritage. I can't wait to bring you insightful and engaging content. So sit back, grab a cup of your favorite drink, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Welcome aboard.